We recently celebrated our 160th anniversary of when we began our first burial here at Arlington National Cemetery in 1864. And as you know, Arlington has come to be known as a sacred place of honor, hallowed grounds. And we are very proud of how our cemetery looks. All the monuments, the tributes, the headstones, all the cultural resources, beginning with this, Tanner Amphitheater. Tanner Amphitheater was where we originally celebrated what was then known as a Decoration Day. Decoration Day became Memorial Day. And as Decoration Day grew in popularity and the need to remember and honor those who have fallen, it grew in attendance, hence our new amphitheater was built. "639 acres here, and the majesty and beauty of it is attributed not just to my team, my horticulture team, the contractors that support us, but to organizations such as yours. I can't begin to overestimate your impact and the things that you do. It could be as simple as putting down some turf in divots in between sections from the headstones, to installing sprinkler heads, lighting across sidewalks over an employee parking area, putting the lightning arresters on trees. Everything y'all do add value to ANC. You may be aware we just were recertified as a level 3 arboretum. We're very proud of that. Organizations such as yourselves help us continue to improve and help us achieve that bar of recertification. The work you do should not be taken for granted. It is very impactful, and I'm very much impressed and thankful for. I'm really glad to see that as well, to see the children get out here and participate, and at an early age, not only being able to maybe get a little trowel in the ground and planting a flower or two, but to instill in them some sense of learning, education, and history of what Arlington is and what it represents. Very, very thankful for everything you do, but I can't tell you enough. It's going to be hot today. Drink water, get to work. And on behalf of my horticulture team, the entire staff here at Arlington National Cemetery, welcome and thank you. I look forward to seeing you out and seeing your various projects. Have a great day.